Hi everyone, this is Tommy and welcome back to the Upvotex tutorial series. In the previous videos, we did explore the users and comment tab. And today, in these videos, I will walk you through 4 elements in the Upvotex admin panel, which they are post, status, board, and roadmaps. Let's get started with the first one, which is post. So, a post is an object that represents an idea from your users or teammate that posted to a related board. Your user can vote and comment on the post, present the idea that they have a regard for. And as an admin, this is where you can manage own feedbacks from your users. Everything you can do here with just a few steps, from changing status or delete to search any post. So, what status means in Upvotex? Status show a state of post that display under title of post. By looking at the post status, your customer and teammate can easily determine if the post was new or just planned. As an admin, you can change the post status just by click to own post. Then click edit to the post that you want to change. After that, assign a relevant status for the selected post. Then click on update to complete. In case that you want to customize a status like add new or edit, just click to the new status button to add your own status. Start by filling in the status name, color, and access type. Then click on create new status to complete. And keep in mind that you can always go back to own status to edit, search, or delete any existing status. As you get more feedbacks day by day, so it will describe a different ideas and problems. You might now wonder, how could you organize among a bunch of feedbacks? Let me introduce to you the board features that definitely help you to organize your feedbacks. So boards are just a different categories that are made to collect posts that show a particular topic. Whenever your user giving feedback, they will need to assign their post with a specific board. And of course, as an admin, you can manage, add, edit, or remove board in here. Also, click to new board to add the new one. So we've been through 2 elements of a post, which are status and board. Now let's grab it all together and represent it on the roadmaps, where you keep your user up to date about what you are working on. So what roadmap stand for? Roadmap is a virtual desk split by columns, and each column display posts with particular status. And posts on roadmap can be separated and limited depending on what board it belongs to. To create a new roadmap, simply click on new roadmaps and start by filling in the titles and roadmap description. In the document section, you first need to determine what status that you want to assign for the new roadmaps. And remember that each status will be created as a columns in the roadmap and according to the order of the displayed status. To change the status order, you just click and drag on your mouse. Next, you need to decide which board you want to attach this roadmap with. For example, if you select the feature request only posts that label with this board will be displayed. Also, you have an option to select own board and put it in the same roadmap. Keep in mind that you can always go back to own roadmaps to edit, search, or delete any existing roadmaps. And that is everything for today. Thank you for watching and I hope you like the videos. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more practical videos about Upvotex in the future. And I will see you guys in the next videos.